Hi guys, so today we're in this little hidden gem, which is Eastney West Battery down at Southsea, and it was used years and years ago, one of two down here, to protect the our waters. So we've come here. This was like in 1800s basically. As you can see, there looks like there's a lot of fire damage. This is obviously, if you can see it, look at that up there, that's pretty cool. So we brought my nephew here today to have a look. That smells really fresh, like it's just been burnt. It's like really badly smells of like charcoal. So this would have been some sort of post for something. You've got electrics in there, old electrics and everything. So as you can see, it's so overgrown. There's like absolutely loads. We're on a massive family outing. I got two of my nieces, Emma and my nephew, come to see it all. As you can see, it's a lot of, I don't know when there was a fire down there, but it absolutely stinks. So you can see that something was here years ago. You've got the remains here, and I'm not too sure what it's for. I'm trying to see over there. Right, so let's see what's up here. Oh, we'll just climb up. Right, watch the prickles, guys. You got this. They got it. Just stand on the prickle, or go round the prickle. So they're actually that just leads to houses. But as you can see, this is just, oh, I just tripped. It's literally all overgrown. We've got animal holes there. There's like a wasp nest up there. But you can still see the remains of the building here. So we're going to just try and walk up this path here and see this building up there and see what's up there and see if we can get into any of it up there. Right, so we can go up that way, but I think we can go that way. We're going to have a look in a minute. We're going to go this way first. So this is inside the battery. So look how old these are. Right, I don't have to put my torch on, it's not that dark. Look how cool that is, Wade. It's like random holes. Right, watch your step.
Oh my god.
So as you can see, there's room upon rooms. I don't know how you get into that one. There's just a hole in the wall. So there's a door here. Look at the old brick. Oh wow. Right, so we're inside one here. It's really old. That goes through to the next one. That's just loads and loads of rubbish. Look at the way the arch around the side. Got loads of little holes all around it. And then that is like back to where we was. This is pretty cool. The history behind this. Look at these holes. They're so cool. So there's absolutely loads of them. Look at the arches down that. So it's pretty cool how it's all just still just sitting here. It's a shame of the graffiti and the rubbish everywhere, but they're all kind of the same. Got those like old, I don't know, pipe work there. That's pretty cool as well. So we're going to head on out and see what else we can see. So it's actually led to nowhere. Just literally, I might just go back out and go upstairs. I don't think. Oh, bloody hell, there's so many flies. Yeah, that's just going to lead back down to where we first started. So we're going to go back up and see if we can get up that part up there. So we've just got to the top and the view is absolutely amazing. Look at that view. There's more steps here. Oh god, quite steep. Everyone else is still coming up there for steps. Wow, you can see the water from here. That's awesome. But look, the old battery. It's massive. Absolutely massive. Look at that. It's pretty cool. It's got a lot of graffiti, but definitely. So we've just got to the first top bit, and as you can see, there's the building, and then that is the view of Southsea. Look at that, the boat's coming in. We can go around there in a minute, mate, yeah. But yeah, that's pretty cool. It's all still here. A lot of it, so you would have had a lot of all your guns and that here, protecting the water over there. And yeah, it's a shame about all the graffiti. People can't leave stuff alone, but that's kids these days. So we're going to walk back down to that bit down there in a minute. I'm just going to walk around this way first because kids want to see the view. So right, this is the other part of it. So as you can see, it's a bit of a steep. Loads of graffiti, and there's like a really old rug up here. I think that was from, I don't know if that's from years ago or someone's put that up there. You can still see the old metal bars, which is pretty cool. Look at the rust on that. And that's why, Seren, I said that you couldn't stand on the roof. Look how rusty the roof is, love. Right, my nephew that now looks like an escaped convict with his hairstyle is going first. I keep winding him up about his hairstyle. Oh, there we go, we're up high again. There is, even though it... Just exploring. Right, so... Hey, do you want to read what that says? Read what the sign says. Oh, he's looking at his bike. Say no to digital IDs. Big Starmer is watching. It's true, isn't it? What's up there then? Nothing? Is it still just all overgrown? You can still see the yacht. So yeah, this is the end of the top bit. And you see, if I see this would have been, what do you think this would have been, mate? Pardon? With a gun? What, the big one? Big one, yeah? The smaller, he reckons there's probably a smaller gun was here protecting the water. Well done, mate. And then you got another little one here as well. So, you can see the hill. So we're going to walk around back down and see if there's anywhere else. But at the moment, this is all there is up top. Obviously, please be careful if you do come up here. So we've just come to this corner bit, and there's like steps coming down. Just me and Bodie are going to try and have a look. The rest of them are sitting down. I'm being loud. Right, watch where you're stepping, Bode. Hang on, I need to change over to my torch. Right, so we're going to have to try and crawl through. Oh. Oh. I don't know if there's anything around the corner, so this would have been something old. Are you behind me, Bode? Oh. It's wobbling. Oh. 80s. What? I know the board's really wobbly. Are you staying there?
Yeah, I'm staying here.
Okay. And there's a door there. Oh, crap. Oh, there's actually not much in here. So just more... I don't know what these used to be years ago. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments. But yeah, so there is a door there. It's just another little bunker thing. Whether it held ammunition or something, I'm not too sure. Obviously someone's been down here. There's a lot of these rugs around, so I don't know maybe if they're homeless or sleeping in here or not. I don't know. But yeah, let's go back outside. That's all there is in this. So we just come out the corner one. There is something there that we didn't go to. But I've got shorts on and I cannot get through. Yeah, that is just prickle bits. So yeah. Anyway, as you can see, this is Eastney West Battery. And yeah, this is a cool little explore with my nephew. Well, the whole gang came out today, but my nephew loves all stuff to do with Navy, Army. So yeah, this is a very historic place. It's from the 1800s. It was used to protect Portsmouth for a few years, I think. Don't know the whole 100% history of it. I did read it, but I've totally forgot it all, so please just Google it. But as you can see, yeah, it's so overgrown. There's like blackberry bushes absolutely everywhere. So, but yeah, don't forget to give us a follow and a like to see more of our adventures, from abandoned places to historic places to just our general days out. So anyway, hope you enjoyed our video today.